After the Indian Army revealing and releasing some more pictures have come in from the Border Security Force. New videos of Operation Sindoor strikes.
भागते हुए अपनी चौकियों को
Let's
छोड़ते हुए वहां से भाग रहे थे।
ऐसा कुछ वीडियो में देखा गया है और जो हमने बताया आपको कि हमारी तैयारी बिल्कुल सटीक थी और हमने टारगेट्स पहले से आइडेंटिफाई करे हुए थे जिसमें दुश्मन को भारी से भारी नुकसान पहुंचाया जा सकता है।
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीमा पर सांबा जिले में जो आतंकवादियों को मार गिराया गया था जो कि इन्फिल्ट्रेट करने वाले थे उस बारे में जरा जानकारी दी।
देखिए 8 तारीख की रात को हमने अपने सर्वेलेंस इक्विपमेंट से देखा कि एक समूह अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीमा की ओर भारत की ओर बढ़ रहा था और अंधेरे का फायदा उठाते हुए वहाँ जो वाइल्ड ग्रोथ है टूटी हुई जमीन है उसका फायदा उठाते हुए वो एडवांस कर रहा था। तो ऐसे में ये फैसला लिया गया कि इससे पहले कि उनके द्वारा कोई अप्रिय घटना करी जाए उस समूह को हम उस पर अटैक करेंगे और बीएसएफ ने अपने स्पेशल वेपन सिस्टम्स के द्वारा इस समूह पे अटैक किया और इस समूह के मंसूबों को विफल किया।
तो कुल कितने आतंकी मारे गए ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में बीएसएफ के द्वारा?
देखिए ये फिगर जो है ये इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज बता पाएंगी, पर जो हमने अपने सर्वेलेंस इक्विपमेंट से देखा है कि वहाँ पे हमारे अटैक के बाद अफरा तफरी मची, उनकी गाड़ियों की मूवमेंट देखी गई, एम्बुलेंस की मूवमेंट देखी गई और इसके साथ साथ जो उनकी पोस्ट्स को जो नुकसान पहुंचाया गया है, उनके टेरर लॉन्च पैड्स को जो नुकसान पहुंचाया गया है, वो उससे ज़रूर एक हमने स्ट्रॉन्ग संदेश पाकिस्तान को भेजा है कि अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीमा पर वो इस प्रकार की कोई हिमाकत भविष्य में ना करें।
बातचीत के लिए धन्यवाद।
That's the first response coming in from the Border Security Forces senior officers. Look at those images on your screen. This is 9th of May. Barely 24 hours ago, I showed you images released by the Indian Army. That was how the CDS, all the three chiefs of the armed forces, Navy, Air Force and the Army, of course, were tracking, real-time monitoring the strikes on the 7th of May. This is May 9th ops that destroyed the Lashkar terror pads as well. This was a big BSF operation. Now remember, with BSF, this was more direct because this was across the international border, RS Pura, Jammu region, where there are these fields that you can see the international border barely about kilometers into the territory. I want to immediately bring in Shivani Sharma for the latest on that. Shivani, so more and more layers and details are coming in after Indian Army releasing images yesterday. Now this one, tell us more about this operation by the Border Security Force.
Pooja, it was an integrated operation by the armed forces and the BSF also along the international border. And now we see these videos how the BSF has damaged the terror camps along the Luni sector in the international border area, where they say that there were 3 terror camps that were damaged by the BSF with a combination of different weapon systems. And the assessment is still going on. There were around 18 to 20 terrorists in these particular terror camps, Pooja, and there are 42 such terror launch pads that were identified by the forces, and out of which in Operation Sindoor, there were more than 21 targets that were taken by the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force together, and the BSF also. And what we are seeing are the videos of those attacks that have been taken, that were done by the BSF also along the international border, where 3 terror launch pads inside the territory of Pakistan, 2.2 kilometers approximately, these terror launch pads were there. They were actually training these terrorists and they were trying to infiltrate into the Indian border. So these terror launch pads have now been damaged. The assessment of the number of terrorists that have been utilized still goes on because, the damage assessment process is still on. The forces do not want to give any approximate figures.
Stay on with me, yes.
Waiting.